the elusive tractor bumper recipe. First off, let me clarify. We're not talking metal parts today. We're diving into the world of delicious energy bars. Think of it as fueling your tractor body with something other than diesel. Start with the foundation of rolled oats, a staple that hasn't changed since tractors first hit the fields. Oats are incredibly nutritious, packed with fibers that help lower cholesterol. Bonus, they absorb flavors like a sponge absorbs water. Moving on to peanut butter, a creamy stabilizer in our recipe. No added sugar, just pure natural goodness that binds our ingredients together with each crunchy bite. I love how it plays double duty as both glue and yum factor. Chia seeds are next. Remember, these little guys are tiny powerhouses, jam-packed with omega-3s. No joke, chia seeds have more of these fatty acids than some fish. So sprinkle them generously into your mix. Dark chocolate chips make an appearance, a nod to the sweet tooth in all of us. With loads of antioxidants, they're practically health food. Let's just agree that every working human deserves a bit of chocolate melty goodness. Now for honey, picture a golden river of natural sweetness cascading into our mix, bringing a sticky texture that holds everything together. Plus, it's got antibacterial properties, multitasking, just like a farmer in springtime. Pour in some chopped nuts, any variety will do. Almonds, pecans, walnuts, a veritable nutty rainbow. Each one brings its own crunch and nutrient profile, making these bars an even more powerful snack option. After mixing nuts, toss in dried fruits for a burst of color and energy. Dried apricots, cranberries, or raisins. The choice is yours. They enhance flavor, add chewiness, and are a great source of natural sugars. Now comes the fun part, forming your bars. I think barn building, but tastier. Pack the mixture into a baking dish lined with parchment paper. Press it down firmly, channeling your inner sculptor or farmer, hand tamping soil. And I just want to refrigerate the mix for at least 2 hours. This allows everything to set and become friends, mingling flavors for that perfect bite. When you slice them into bars, trust me, it's worth the wait. Once chilled, cut them into tractor-friendly rectangles. These bars are as ready for action as the tractors themselves. Handy, portable, and packed with energy. Perfect for when you're out plowing life's fields. Finally, store these beauties in an airtight container. They hold up well for about a week, unless you live in Portland, where the rain makes everything eternal. Pro tip, wrap them individually for grab-and-go convenience. Enjoy the ride or the hitch, whatever your adventure demands.